Hey guys, how are you? So today we are going to start with some most important questions, and those are related to the Python programming. So I will just open here Python interpreter. Okay, and nowadays means in every interviewer, if you are facing some exam types or questions, so those types of questions you should must know. So I'm opening Python interpreter compiler. I'm just marking down this. So first one question is like simple one. They will give you one list. Okay, I am typing here L as a list, and if within that list you have need to take elements like 1, 23, 4, 5, 9, 12, whatever may be element. Now you have need to sort that list without utilizing any pre-built functions like sort, sorted, or any other method. So let's try to sort that list by using for loop. So this is we have need to utilize some sorting methods like bubble sort, merge sort, or there are other types also fair. So let's try to do it by other ways. So here what we will do, we will try to iterate initially with all index, then we will check one index with the next adjacent side index, and if any specific index is greater than or less than with another index, then we will just swipe that. Okay, so for that I initially required the n means the length of that list, so I will just going to iterate for that specific number of that list. Then I have need to apply loop like for I in range, that length of list means n. Then I have need to create another loop like for j in range of, I can't directly take here I because whatever elements initially sorted I have need to neglect them, so I have need to utilize like n minus I to exclude the previous one elements whatever sorted. And I have also need to add here -1 because here it's how we are adding the index there to avoid that out of range index issue. Now I have need to keep one if conditions like if list of specific index elements is less than that list of, instead of I here it should be j, less than list of means specific index greater than its next side. If any specific such situation is occurring, then it should swipe those elements. So we have just need to add one conditions for the swiping of list like L of j comma L of j plus 1. Now I am giving for L of j position it should be swiped to the next of its elements, and that next element should come to the its previous one index. Okay, if that conditions, and I don't need to write else anything here because if that is, it will just swipe, else it will keep that list as it is. And lists are the mutable, so we don't need to assign any variable for them. I will just print TL here, and you will see like we will get the sorted list now. What happened? So I have need to add double no, this should be L not I. So please careful while writing, sometimes those mistakes can happen. Now you can see the list is sorted in a ascending way, so higher elements are coming here. If I want it's in the descending way, I just write there greater than, you can see that list is sorted. So friends, it seems very simple here, but if you are trying to give it in the while interview types or somewhere, so definitely you will going to face some issues here. Like first one, you are not able to decide either you have need to take that you have need to iterate through the length of that list elements, or some candidates will just directly like for I in L and they will try to check, but that will not work here. Also, if they are going in the range of that for list, but they will struggle here to add one conditions like n minus I minus 1, because for each iterations we have need to exclude that first positions. Let's say if we are sorting in the ascending way, now initially if we have sorted that first elements from that remaining to the other elements, then we have need to exclude that n minus I elements, so it will reduce the total length of that list, and at the end we will reach towards the final. So that is the very important friend, and it's a very simple one, easiest one, but you may face some issues there. Now we will go with another ones to sort the dictionary, and it's a really interesting one. So I will stop here. In the next video we will start. If you have any other approaches, can you sort it by utilizing lambda, then also try. Okay, we will try to sort this by using lambda also. How to sort utilizing lambda? So for lambda functions, it required the list. So lambda functions is stacked. We will apply some functions here. So sorted, it will take list. Then I have need to apply here lambda. Then for lambda we have need to apply key. Then from that key we are taking that list. No, it cannot be applied here. If it's the dictionary, then we can apply. Okay, so we will try this in the next video. Thank you, bye bye. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment.